My name is Sandra Smith. I work with Ensono. Ensono is an international company. We have data centers throughout the world. We help companies make the most out of what they have. DCIM was made popular probably about 4 to 6 years ago, and we had a tool that was helping us but not meeting all of our needs and not giving us enough information about the devices itself. And our golden source, our current database, just wasn't customizable enough to meet our needs. So we went out and started searching, and we looked at probably 6 different products, and NetZoom was one of them. For the cost and for the scalability, for the customization, it really hit all of our marks right there. So it just made it a no-brainer. Right now we're consolidating several different tools. Ticketing system, so to speak, and we are now going to standardize with ServiceNow. And that was one of the pluses too to going with NetZoom originally was, we knew eventually we were going to get to ServiceNow, and we wanted that nice link between the two, that wonderful handshake that you guys have in place. So that will allow us to ensure that, when work gets done, we have a good record of it and it shows up in NetZoom for us. Well, how we're using these drawings are, a lot of our clients are now learning what we have, and so we have to provide them rack drawings, front and back, along with all the equipment associated with it on a monthly basis. Some of them are on a quarterly, some are on, an annual, but a lot of them are going to show us what it looks like on a monthly basis. It helps them to understand their environment better too. And the more they understand it, the easier it is for us to manage what it is they're trying to do and help them reach the goals that they're trying to reach. It just flies in, no issues whatsoever. It's great. You go, wow, look at that. You walk out to the floor with your laptop if you have Wi-Fi or a piece of paper if you don't, and go, yeah, it matches reality. I find the tool fun. It's kind of like Minecraft. My daughter used to play Minecraft when she was little, and I didn't understand what she was doing. Now I do, and it's like playing a virtual reality game every single day, that I am able to create a data center that's around the world, and I'm doing it accurately and correctly. And now that I'm giving it out to other people on the team throughout the world, they're going, wow, this is fun. This is a lot easier than I thought it would be. I'm really enjoying the tool. It's great. When you've got people who are having fun with it, it makes it so much easier.